How to add Ethereum Proof of Work network to MetaMask. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add Ethereum Proof of Work network step by step. You will need to have these details, and I will put them in the video description. Next step is to go to MetaMask Wallet, click on the network list here, and choose Add Network. Now click on Add a Network manually, and let's copy paste all information from here. Network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. And click on Save. As you can see, now I'm connected to Ethereum Proof of Work mainnet, and I already have some tokens here. It's because before the fork I have the same amount of Ethereum in my MetaMask wallet. Usually I use site called chainlist.org to add any network, but at the time of recording this video there is no Ethereum Proof of Work network added here. So please check later, maybe they will add it, so you will be able to add Ethereum Proof of Work network here just by connecting your wallet and searching for the network you need and adding this network to your MetaMask wallet. But as for right now, you can add it only manually. I will put this information below this video, as I already mentioned, and that's basically how you can add Ethereum Proof of Work network to your MetaMask wallet and claim your Ethereum Proof of Work coin. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.